Hello everyone, guys, my name is Sam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a huge Bitcoin update because it's been a few days of me not talking about Bitcoin. There are so many things I need to mention to you because something huge is looming right around the corner. So watch this video from the beginning and until the end. And please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we're one of the fastest growing crypto YouTube channels out there in the whole wide world. All thanks to you guys. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button, and comment down below and call me Mr. Spot On because every single trade, it's crazy, it's not normally like this, but every single trade recently we've been taking has been a profit. It's insane.
And I'm coming in live from an absolutely beautiful location. Look at this, our balcony. Insane.
But what is more beautiful is actually that Bitcoin is moving to the upside, is starting to pump a bit, and we actually have some profits over on Bybit. And guys, if you want to be trading over on Bybit yourselves as well, and you want to claim some crazy bonuses, and you want an exchange that you can actually trust, then use my exclusive link down in the description of this video, and it's going to give you up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, crazy giveaways, also my famous paid investing course, not the full program, but investing course. Also, if you deposit more than $500, and all deposited users get access to my crypto signals community with all the smallest trades that we take as well. There's a link to it down in the description of this video. But enough of shilling. Let's just get into some crazy news that you guys really need to know. Let's jump in.
And before we come back and talk about the chart, let's quickly talk about what actually has happened so far, which is, in my opinion, crazy stuff. So since the increase of the debt ceiling, guys, federal debt explodes by 1 trillion in just 5 weeks since the deal suspending limit became law. 1 trillion, 5 weeks. And I'll tell you a secret. Yesterday we were at Lake Como. And you know what I did? I bought 5 more Bitcoin. And I keep buying even at $30,000 because I understand that the dollar, again, and if you haven't, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been traveling with $2.6 million in cash in a duffel bag on a private jet. And there is a very good reason why. There was something I was doing with that money. And to be honest, I don't want to be holding any dollars. So that money is gone, by the way, that 2.6 mil. And I'm putting a lot of more money into crypto because this right here is crazy. Even if we buy Bitcoin today at 30K and it goes down to 15K, honestly, short-term perspective, whatever, it's painful. Yes, it can be volatile, painful, dangerous, whatever. But down the road with a time horizon 5 to 10 years, this, just read it. Wake up, please. Because we're going to be going to these videos later in 5 to 10 years, guys. And those of you who are not listening, gonna be painful. Very painful. Next thing. Also, former SEC chair says it would be hard to resist approving Bitcoin ETF. So previous main guy of SEC came out and said it would actually be difficult for them to resist approving it. So it is coming. It's just unavoidable. And trillions of dollars that are currently not being utilized in the markets on the standby, plus all the money of the institutionals that are gonna actually become available for utilization in crypto space. Crazy stuff. Also, guys, quick reminder, there is a link down in the description of this video to my famous trading education, and only 47 seats are left with a 40% 3-year anniversary discount. So it's going to probably sell out tomorrow or after tomorrow. So please get in if you wanted to become one of my students at my 5 months long trading learning programs and learn how to trade like a professional. So you actually see some green on your trades like Mr. Spot On here. So you can actually also understand my analysis because I'm not sharing like all of it here because it's a 5 months long program which encompasses everything. So link down in the description of this video and join us now. Now, this has got a lot to do with the energy consumption of Bitcoin. You know, all these people are saying, oh, it's bad, it's gonna die because it's consuming so much energy. All these idiots, they cannot calculate how much energy is consumed by global banks, by all the retail institutions. It's a lot more, trust me. But that's besides the point. Here is a good example as to what Bitcoin consumes. There is this brand new sphere in Vegas. This is a pretty crazy thing. And look, I mean, it looks like it's pretty crazy. I mean, it's cool. I'm looking forward to it. We're going to Vegas soon, and it's pretty cool. But it costs 2.3 billion, and it uses 150 terawatt hours of electricity per year to power this whatever thing, and that's almost double the yearly power consumption of Bitcoin. So it is okay to have a giant screen in Vegas, but it's not okay to have the most ultrasound money and the best store of value in the world and the financial freedom. Nah. We better have a few of those screens, baby. So this is just stupid, okay? I'm acting right now, but in reality, just shows how insignificant the power consumption of Bitcoin actually is. And if, a few penguins lose a few feathers over it, well, whatever. I'd rather have Bitcoin than, once again, let's go back to this. I think a few feathers of a few penguins is worth to actually solve this problem, because this problem is gonna make a lot of people very poor. And right now, it's potentially the last generational wealth creation opportunity to transition to new digital age, which is blockchain and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now, besides this, before we move back to the chart and talk about the most important signals, informations, etc. What is very important tomorrow, I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow as well, so subscribe and hit that notification bell right now, and join also my free Discord channel, link down in the description of this video. This is where we post all of my trades and the trades of my team, and all the information is there as well, and also in the Telegram channel, also link down in the description of this video. So tomorrow is going to be CPI, which is very important for us, as you might know. And CPI has been dropping dramatically recently, from 5% all the way to 4%, and now it's forecasted to go down to 3.1 from 4%. So this is very positive. If we're gonna go down to 3%, this is gonna be absolutely incredible. So, and it's gonna mean that Fed potentially is at the end of its hiking cycle. So if we're gonna come so close to their target rate of 2%, so tomorrow is gonna be very crucial. If it's gonna come in at 4.5 or something ridiculous, which is probably not possible. But you know what, you understand the logic. So please pay attention to CPI tomorrow, incredibly important, which is gonna dictate as to what Federal Reserve is gonna do with their tightening. Now, moving to this chart, let's talk about the main chart and then go talk about the smallest details of the chart itself. So for now, what we are seeing is we had this pump and now we're just doing nothing. We're consolidating, and that's why I've actually have my long trade open, and I still have my orders to add to this long trade at all these prices. You can pause the video and take a look. So, and the logic is very simple, that in my opinion, we should be breaking to the upside. Certainly, again, in a short-term perspective, it's very difficult to predict anything. You only use proper risk and money management, and whenever you're wrong, when you're right, you just make more money. So that's it. But this could turn out to be a very beautiful BART pattern, and then we just move to the downside. Is it possible? Yes. But currently, for now, while this support still lasts at about 29,800, so 30K, while it still lasts, I'm still hopeful that we're going to see a break to the upside. And the tiniest target of this break to the upside of this actual channel is, let's take a look, it's at about 33,000. But some people actually measured these kinds of breakouts like this leg, then the consolidation, and then the move to the upside has to be, in the size has to be the same as the previous leg. So whatever, all these targets are not accurate in my opinion. But nonetheless, the biggest target for this breakout, this formation, is about 36,500, which would be beautiful. I would certainly take it. But when it comes to short-term perspective, right now, we actually had, let's go to, this chart is fine. So we had this flag, we broke out, we attempted it, we broke down, got supported by it, then created this flag, which is actually coming at this dotted red resistance. We actually broke above it yesterday, and I was celebrating, and I was like, woo! And then it just dropped just as much down. I was like, God damn. So nothing special, but we got supported by it. So it used to be resistance, and it turned into a support right now, this red dotted line. So whatever, let's see what happens next. The most important outlook is this one. So whatever happens in the middle, it can go in the fucking circles as long as it breaks to the upside. But on these news, everything that we're seeing right now and the logic and seeing this happening, I mean, as long as this doesn't screw us over tomorrow, I'm hopeful to see this formation break to the upside. So guys, remember that only a couple of seats are left at my university grade trading education, the best trading education in the world right now, the most comprehensive one, the only one you need to understand how to trade properly and invest as well. So check it out, link down in the description of this video, and also check out this official trailer of my trading reality show we filmed in Dubai, which is quite crazy. And I have an even crazier show for you coming up in August, something that has never been done on YouTube ever before, to be announced. All right, peace and love, time scroller, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.